Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. We've reached week 8. We're on the last 4 weeks and almost to Christmas. So Thanksgiving's this week, so this is going to be a pretty short week. So thought I'd really start it off with by focusing on the middle and getting really to finish the last parts of these demo reels and really connecting everything. And that's the aspect. So that's what we're going to be working with this week. So last week we talked about the last 15 seconds. This week we're talking about the middle. So this week we're going to go through the middle, what parts are important, how to keep that viewer's attention through that middle, and what a breakdown is and what really helps out with that. So there's really 5 major parts of the middle: your core work, multiple examples of showing off your work, so like different techniques, how you apply those concepts, solid transitions and music editing throughout, and showing those different stages of production as well. And also one complete process of your breakdown. So that's really going to be helping you out in those concepts. Now, keep in mind, though, there's some benefits of detailing the middle, those in between those first 30 seconds and those last 15 seconds, that like minute and 15 that you got. This really helps showcase your work in different stages. It helps shows off processes that could match other companies' processes and really showcase how you can fit in a lot of times. It also allows to showcase your consistency, and that really helps out. When you can really focus on your volume of work as well, along with the consistency, people can realize that you have a pattern, you have a lot of repetition with that, and everything flows through with it. And not only that, allows you to not be this one-trick pony a lot of times. Helps keeps the viewer attention. That's really the aspect, because as we detail it and customize it, this will help keep the viewer's attention by keep going further into it. And that's pretty much it. So that's all I got for this week. Let's get started. So we have lecture on Tuesday, same time as always, 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central. And that's pretty much it. So we do have a discussion Tuesday, and that's all we got. So keep an eye out for everything. We do have Thanksgiving coming up, so that's another thing. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. Take it easy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. So have a good one. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Bye-bye.